Welcome to MP Lighting video guide for our square box with MK1 mounting kit for underwater installations. In this video, we'll guide you on how to install our wall-mounted light fixture into concrete, step by step, with everything you need to know. Start by removing the cap and inserting the rod. Then screw the back washer securely into the concrete form. Drill a hole into the form. Place the box into position, and fasten it with the washer and wing nut. Connect your conduits and pour the concrete. Allow time for a full cure before proceeding. Once the concrete is cured, remove the form. Locate and clean the inside of each of the flanges thoroughly. Lubricate all yellow-marked surfaces. Then connect wiring using the supplied waterproof wire nuts. Please wire following driver LED schematics or the instructions provided. Insert the fixture into place. Once all units are wired to the driver, power on, and that's it, you're done. You completed the installation of our MK1 kit for underwater application. Remember, the mounting kit is designed to assist concrete installation on vertical and downward-facing surfaces. Thank you for watching.